All right. Good afternoon, everybody. How you guys doing? How's everybody? How's everybody? How's everybody? How's everybody? I hope you guys are lit. Today, money must be made. So I'm about to start streaming right now. All I just want to do is to check all the pairs that I love to trade. I'm going to be looking at GBP JPY, XAUSD Gold, and I'm also going to be looking at GBP USD, which is my favorite, my all-time favorite pair. All right. So before I move fast, I'd love to let you guys to tell me where you guys joining in from. I'm right now in Lagos, Nigeria. What about you? Where are you guys joining from? Where are you joining from? Yes, we are live. We are live. We are live. So you can share this link to other people so that they can join immediately. Let them know that we're live. Let everybody benefit. All right. So best of Excel says from Paris, Kenya, Zambia, South Sudan, Ibadan, Cameroon, Lagos, Lokoja, UK, Ghana, Jamaica, Liberia, Kenya, UK, Kenya, live from Jos, Benin, Rwanda, Kigali, San Diego, London. Okay, nice. I have people from everywhere. So I already see an opportunity forming on GBP USD and GBP JPY. So let's have a look quickly at these two pairs. All right. I'm just going to call out the pair. You should go in with the appropriate lot size. I'm not telling you what to do. The only people I do get to tell lot size to use are people that are in my boot camp. I tell them the lot size to use because I want us to achieve the same result. Yeah, same result. Yeah, but all right. Okay, nice. Let's go. GBP USD, I'm currently on the buy, right? I went in on the buy, but right now I genuinely think it's already late. It's already late for you to go in on the buy, right? So I am seeing price is still heading up, straight up to the upside. So maybe we'll look for an entry. Maybe if price come back to this side, if price come back to this high that I broke. So if price test here again, I'm gonna look for a buy again. But right now it's a buy trade. It's going up. All right. So it's going up. Then the next pair I'd love to look out for you guys again is GBP JPY. On GBP JPY, this pair is so interesting that sometimes people think that it correlates or it's same as GU, right? But then I don't think so. Sometimes it does exact opposite. Meanwhile, this one I'm looking for sells. So sell GBP JPY. Sell GBP JPY. It's for a scalp. Remember, the trades I give you guys are trades that will make you money while we are alive. When I leave here, I don't know what it might do from there. But now that we're here, if you sell this trade now, just for a quick scalp, I'm looking for opportunity for you guys that will just quickly give you money, rush in and you rush out. Quick scalp. Okay, quick scalp. Sell right now, wait for price to get to somewhere around here, and then you hop out. I'm seeing a really nice drop on GBP JPY. So you see the risk to reward is not even so, it's not really worth it. But let's do it because I know some of you, for the purpose why we are here, just want to get into a trade that Jeffrey has caught for you guys, isn't it? So that's why I'm saying, yeah, let's do this one right now. Sell GBP JPY. That's trade number one. Then trade number two, let's check on gold, XAUUSD. Please, GBP JPY, let me go back there again. Let me go back to my previous, let me make sure that I really explain. GBP JPY is very volatile. If you notice the strength, the movement of GJ compared to gold is almost similar, the way they move, right? So it's not like GBP USD that doesn't move as much as these two. So why does that make sense? Why does this information make sense? It makes sense that as you're putting lot size, put a lot size that is so tiny that is appropriate to your account. Some of you would not still listen because you just want to double down and make crazy loads of money. That's not trading. Trading has to do with, it's not about how many trades you win. It's about how many trades you lose, and then you are still breathing. Your account is still fine. That's what counts about trading. All right. Please do the right thing. If you're doing the wrong thing, close that trade now, do the right thing, and then you smile in the long run. All right. Okay. Good. Let me leave the other part. So XAUUSD again. Okay. For gold is more of a buy. It's doing buys. And let's see. For gold is buy, but there's no entry point yet. For gold, it's a buy. It's a buy, except you want to risk it and put your stop loss somewhere around here. Put stop somewhere around there. Maybe you long it. Stop loss will be very wide. But ordinarily, apart from this one, it's a buy. Stop loss is about 89, which this trader wouldn't take it. But if you want to quickly scalp it, maybe probably wait for price to get somewhere around there and you hop out, fine. But it's for a buy. Good is for a buy. All right. You know, you know that I love 1 to 2 risk to reward. All right. So make sure you keep it at 1 to 2 risk to reward, somewhere around here. But if you can just scalp it now, buy good, maybe you get somewhere around there, tighten your stop loss and let it flow. But I'm seeing consecutive higher highs being created right there. All right. Okay. Or at max, whenever you come to the high, the last high, you should close. But this is what I'm seeing on gold. So buy gold, sell GJ, buy GBP USD. These are the things that I can see right now. These are the things I'm seeing right now. All right. So let me know. Let me have your feedback now. Okay, India. I heard somebody say, he said he's on gold buying. He's on gold buying, right? Okay, he said he's on gold buying. People are buying gold. Okay, good. So talking about the stop loss, yes, interesting. So the stop loss for gold will be this point, 2,648, 2,648.83, 2,000. Let me zoom in for the benefit of those who are on phone. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing. 2,648.83. And then your take profit should be twice as much as of what you are risking. So take profit, but I'm more confident that price is going to get to the high more, which is take profit 1 to be 2,670. Take profit 1 should be, because I won't be here to monitor these trades. So TP will be 2,670.13. That's on gold, right? This is for gold, right? Then the other one you can be doing about the one I'm more sure of. I'm very sure of price touching the high. That price will likely get to the high, right? Or I'm more confident about that. There's nothing like sure. Sorry about that word. There's nothing like sure. By analysis, price should touch. By my analysis, price should touch that previous high. I hope you know what I mean. So let me just review GJ again. For GBP JPY, with my analysis, we are shorting from the points we got in, and the stop loss is 194.747. 194.747. 194.747. That's the stop loss for this one. Then take profit, leave the take profit open. Once you are satisfied, you take your profit, right? For GU, I'm already on GU, but I think it's too late for someone that wants to get in at this time. So, but however, my GU stop loss is currently at 1.3. Okay, let me just map it out. So my stop loss was at 1.30456. 1.30456. SL 1.30456. Leave your take profit open because GU is going up aggressively. For GU, I'm seeing a far move for GU. All right. I'm seeing far move for GU. Which other pair? Okay, AUDUSD. I saw someone requesting for AUDUSD. AUDUSD, right? Someone said I should zoom in. All right, so let me zoom in now. We are scalping, we are not swinging. It's a scalp. All this trade I called for you now, trade that will make you money while we are here. When I'm out, give it about 30 minutes to 1 hour time. Close the trade. If it's doing well, close. If it's not doing well, still close it. Don't hold on to it for too long. Okay. The reason why I'm here, and I know that we have newbies, they just want to be able to just catch in my signals and hop out, right? And make what they want to make. That's why I'm doing the short-term trend, short one, scalping, not swinging. So AUD USD. So on AUD USD, it's similar to GBP USD. So you'll be seeing more of buy patterns also for me right here now. Buy, similar to GBP USD. But AUD USD is still very early for the buys. The buys are still very early. So you can hop on now. Buy AUD USD. AUD USD buy. I called the other one was it last week? Yes, last week for a buy. You see, immediately went up. Boom. This is what I'm saying. Wait about 1 hour, 30 minutes. You take your profit here, boom, and you'll be out. That's for AUD USD. So now let's do another one again. Today we are buying and we'll buy to this extent. The stop loss of this one is very tight. In fact, if I were to recommend, I'll say you guys to pick this AUD USD and leave other ones alone. AUD USD, you are risking 17 pips, target times 2. Times 17 times 2 should be somewhere around 30, 35, right? So this is a very sweet one. So your stop loss will be on AUD USD would be SL 0.67791. These are stop loss. Put your stop loss and buy immediately. Buy. And then your take profit should be 0.6838321. It should be your take profit. All right. So the reason why I called for that buy is that I saw a divergence. Divergence simply means when the candles are doing something different from what an oscillating indicator is doing, right? So we can see a lower low, and then this low is higher than this one. All right. So from this point, this is a double bottom. Remember the last class, I told you guys that we have 3 types of double bottoms. So we have equal double bottoms. We have where the first leg is longer than the second one, which is in this case. And we also have where this first leg is shorter than the second one. This one is this is the commonest one you ever find. Commonest. In an example, for this one, like here, it's a W pattern. What happened? Immediately you saw that W pattern, market moved up. All right. So opposite of the W patterns are M patterns. Opposite of that are M patterns. So for M pattern, you see that price came down, did an M right here. The first leg was longer than the second one, correct? So immediately we saw a spike, although this one, NFP contributed to that. All right. So these are the patterns. So I saw this pattern now. So that's why I wanted us to, we are going long on this pattern. All right. What other thing? Tell me the pair you like me to look out for, and then I'll do that for you real quick. All right, before we go too far, someone said AUDJPY. AUDJPY. So after AUDJPY, I'll let Williams analyze. Please remember, only enter with the lot size that is appropriate to your account. All right, AUDJPY. I'm calling out this trade doesn't mean that you're going to enter everything. Just select only 1 or 2 that you're most comfortable with. Enter them with the lot size that's appropriate. So if you have an account of $100, do not do more than 0.02. 0.01, 0.02 is what you should distribute in all of these trades. If you have an account of $50, 0.01, hold it very tight. That's your best friend. Now, hold it. So if you have an account of $1,000, you can do 0.1. All right, 0.1 of $1,000. You shouldn't be using $100 to be doing 0.1. If you do that, you are the problem. You are the architect of your own blown account. All right, so please stick to your rules. So AUDJPY as against AUDJPY, right? AUDJPY is also looking at GBPJPY. It's looking like GBPJPY, like we've seen. All right, so I will also say it's a sell and seeing sales somewhere around here. AUDJPY sells. Seen sales for AUDJPY, but I wouldn't want us to take it because it's already crowded. It's too much now. It's too much. So let me just do GBP JPY. Let me recap all the trades I've called just to make sure that everybody we're on the same page. We are selling GBP JPY. Okay, we're in profit on GBP JPY. GBP USD is the next to check. GBP USD. I don't think GBP USD should be in profit yet. From the point I called it. Okay, it's not yet in profit, but I'm confident that it still would go up. XAUUSD for gold dollar. Okay, gold right now is dropping a little bit, but no cause for alarm. If you go in with 0.01 for or 0.02 for a $100 account, no problem. If you follow good risk management, there's no problem because you have a long way to go. This is a stop loss point, so no problem. What other pair are we looking at for? So these are just the basic ones I'm just going to look at. So Williams is going to go next. Williams, please kindly give us a clean direction of where you think BTC USD is going to go to. BTC USD and any other coin that you have, straight to the point. Give it to us. Thank you very much. Take it away. How are you doing?
I'm very fine. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon from whatever part of the country you're joining us from. You're highly welcome. Can you hear me very well, please? I want to be very certain because of the network.
Yes, we can hear you clearly.
A little bit sometimes. All right. Thank you so much. So on BTC this week, what am I expecting? I'm going to analyze Bitcoin, Ethereum, AVAX, and Binance. Very important. These are very important coins that will make you a lot of money this week. And one thing that is very certain is that we're going to make crazy amount of money this week. Like I'm very certain about this. Okay, so let me present my screen on BTC USD and show you what I'm expecting on BTC USD. So on BTC, on daily time frame, I'll go over to the 4 hours time frame. The reason I'm going over to the 4 hours time frame because that is where much information are as a day trader. So when I come over to the 4 hours time frame, the first thing you have to do is to understand the direction of the market. What's the direction of the market telling you? You literally see that it is an uptrend market. So what you should be expecting on the 15 minutes time frame is very simple: a buy. So when I come over to the 1 hour now, the 1 hour time frame is to know the current trend of the overall trend. That's what I'm on. That's why I come over to the 1 hour time frame for. So you can see the current trend here is a downtrend, literally. So what you're expecting still is when market comes down on this particular candle, which is on the 15 minutes, and give you a double pattern formation. So you're expecting market to come down to this particular area. When you pull down to this particular area, please, on the formation of a candlestick, a bullish candlestick, can you go in for your buy? But the time I would advise you to go in for a buy is by 3 o'clock p.m. I would advise you to go for a buy by 3 o'clock p.m. So this is where I'm expecting market to retrace down to. Then I'm shooting for my buy around 3 o'clock p.m. So if it's not around that time, I'm not going to enter. So my stop loss is going to be beneath here, just it. Then you take profit above this particular area. So the take profit you're looking out for is like 1:5, risk to reward ratio. Do you understand? So that's it for BTC USD. For anybody trading BTC, please, if you try to sell, I promise you be the one coming to my DM crying. So don't do that. So look for buys, more of buys this period. Okay. Let's go over to Ethereum. I'll go over to Ethereum USDT. On Ethereum, I'll come over to the 4 hours time frame to know the direction. That's how I literally do. Just know the direction of the market so that you can just flow with the river. That's what you just have to do. Then come over to the 1 hour time frame to see what market is trying to do. So I want markets on the Ethereum markets. What market to do is just to retrace down. Same thing with Bitcoin. Market to retrace down and give you a pattern here. Then we can shoot in for a buy, please. Don't sell BTC. Don't sell Ethereum today. Don't try and sell. If you're trying to sell, it should be a scalp sell. But as a day trader, you should be looking for more buys. But for scalpers, please look for just short sell. You can short sell to this particular box here. Then before you can start looking for buys, please. Okay. So that's that for Ethereum. Then I'll come over to BNB. On BNB, we'll go over to the 4 hours. The same process. It's the same thing for every pair. So come over to BNB, check the direction, come over to 1 hour, check the current trend at that particular point in time. So I'm still looking for buys on BNB. So BTC buy, Ethereum buy, and BNB buy. So that's basically for this week. AVAX, I'll come over to the 4 hours. check the direction of the market, come over to the 1 hour time frame. Then AVAX, please buy. AVAX is buy, okay? AVAX is buy too as well. So the market retraces down to this particular area on AVAX, please. You can shoot in for a buy. This particular area. Then my stop loss should be here. Then place my stop loss levels. And when my projecting market to come. So this is going to be okay. So I'll just retrace it down a little bit. So this is where my stop loss level on AVAX is meant to be. So if there's any adjustment to this position, then I'll let you know. I'm going to send the signal on channel. All right. If there's any adjustment, particularly prior to the time of what we're expecting, which is 3 o'clock p.m., I'm going to send the signal to the channel. So you have nothing to worry about. So on BNB, this is my long position. I'll put it here. This one I'm expecting market to come to. Yeah. Then I'll buy. Then on Ethereum, same thing, almost similar, the same thing. The crypto market this today should be more of buys. The crypto market today should be more of buys, guys. So if you're selling, just know it's just a scalp. If you're selling, just know it's a scalp. Then for BTC, you know, they were buying. We're buying BTC. So that's what I'm expecting on BTC this week. More of buys. Do you understand? This today, sorry, is buy. Ethereum buy, BTC buy, BNB buy, AVAX buy. But don't buy now, guys. I'm going to share this signal on the channel when the right time comes, around 3 o'clock p.m. Nigerian time. That's when we start entering positions. I just gave you my bias for today. Do not enter for a buy now. If you want to sell, you can short scalp for a sell to a buy. But I'm not going to sell. I'm just going to wait for market to come to my area of interest. Then I shoot it for a buy. Okay. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, just kindly let me know too on the chat box. Someone say, can I analyze VIX75? All right. So me analyzing VIX75 is in the night. All right. I always share the link of where we do make the analysis. You can join there. But for now, it's more of cryptocurrency and Forex markets. Okay. Thank you. So when I say that gold has finished me, I really wonder, do you must have over leveraged? How do you say gold has finished you? Man, you just have to you have to understand risk management. How do you say gold finished you? Yeah. Who again? Do you have any question? All right.
All right, I think, yeah, let me take it from here now.
All right,
so thank you very much, Williams. That's a very good analysis on the crypto market. Thank you so much. So let's take it again. So for those that are saying, okay, GPGP were in profit, which is a good thing. For gold, I see that's what people are complaining more about. I see that there's a flash right now on gold, which is not so much of a bad thing. So since price is currently flashing down, and you should just be down about, because some of you, no matter how I even see it there, no, some of you are using illegal lot size too much. Illegal lot size, no matter how I want it, you still go ahead and put the big lot. Some of you have open head. So you're seeing a stop loss this wide. All you just have to do is to make sure that you put a lot size that is appropriate. For those that use 0.01, they will not complain for $100. But if you have a $100 account, you want it to be putting 0.1. That's when there's a problem. All right. So for those that use 0.01, let's say for example, one for gold, $1 is equivalent to 1.0 is equivalent to $10, right? They would have been losing with 0.01. They would have been down on. Now the market is here. They'll be down on, let's say $6.34. How's that a problem? That's not a problem, right? So you notice that at some point in trading, strategy is not your problem. It's just how to manage positions, how to manage risks. That's the problem with most of you. So $6.34, how is that killing you from your $100 if you actually done what I told you to do? So for someone who is also on GBP, I've seen GJ is in profit. That one is no issues. For someone who is also on GBP USD, okay, now the price has touched this higher level. Still valid, a buys are still valid, right? So let's say for example we had even entered somewhere around here, and then you should be down 7 pips. 7 pips should be around about, if I'm getting my math right, should be around like 70 cents, right? Am I right? Am I correct? 70 cents or thereabout. Or on this one should be 70 cents, and maybe on gold you should be losing like $6.4 thereabout. So it shouldn't be that of an alarm, right? But for those that, what I even expect you guys to do is select only one and get into one, which is, for example, if you have selected just GBP, XAUSD, trade that one only, or select just one. So I'm analyzing this one because we have different people requesting for different thing. All right. So let's check AUDUSD too. I remember calling out trade on that. So we also on a drawdown too as well. But that doesn't mean that price still not come up. So give this about an hour later and 2 hours, and you see price also flashing up from there, because this pattern is very clear. As long as you put your stop loss right here, everything is in place, you do proper risk management, you have nothing to worry about. All right. So that is it. And what other thing should we look out for? What other thing? Let's look at USD card. For USD card, USD card is flashing up right now. But I don't trust the up movement, so I'll just stay out. Let me look at something else. I'll look at something else. Let me look at USD JPY. For USD JPY, I'll stay out too as well. I'll stay out on USD JPY. Which other pair would you like me to look out for? I don't want to call trades on all these other ones. NZD US gold. I've already looked at gold. Oh, Victor, sorry about this. Is I did your intermediate mentorship divided into two parts because I've paid for intermediate mentorship and I'll be approved to join the other intermediate is not approved. No, you only have one. You can only join one group on intermediate. Our class is segmented into three parts. Beginners, if you're a beginner, you join a beginner. From beginner, you pass, move it intermediate to advanced. So if you're in one intermediate, it's the same information, just that people are too much on the group one, so that we split it into group two. So you're supposed to be in one, if that makes sense. All right, so let's look at for Euro USD. So Euro USD, EURUSD. Okay, so on Euro USD, I'm seeing more of price bouncing off at this point. So if price is able to break here, I'll look forward for it's bouncing. If it tests here so well, then I'll look forward this one as it's a break actually. So it's a buy from here. Buy Euro USD. I'm seeing that it's a valid break. Just wait for a retest here, and then you buy. You put your stop a little bit below here. It's about 25 again. If you just want to trade Euro USD, trade it and put it in. You measure if this trade we saw, just as Jeff has said, if it comes here, you know why we put stop loss? Stop loss simply means I am not sure. I agree to be wrong if price gets to this point. So if it was 100% sure, I won't put stop loss. So what that goes to tell you now is risk management is very essential. I can't stop preaching. I don't know how to tell you guys. It's very essential. So what you're supposed to do whenever you see a trade signal, you have to measure from here to here, how much will I be risking? From my entry point to the stop loss point, I'll be risking 25 pips. So you calm down, you come to Fair Pips Forex Calculator. We have a new website now, guys. We just launched our new website, which entails everything you need to do. If you're a newbie, you can even get started, take a free tour. It's going to teach you what is Forex for free until you're ready to want to join the main mentorship to learn. You come to lot size calculator. So if you hit on lot size calculator, it will tell you how much you would lose. This is your lot size calculator. Put the currency pair you're trading, let's say GBP USD, put the amount, put the risk percentage, put the stop loss and click on calculate. It's going to tell you the amount of lot size to put and how much you'll be risking if that stop loss hits. So you have to look out for the risk side more than the good side. It's very crucial. So if you have a minimum of $100, make sure you trade with 0.02 max on any Forex pairs. But if it is on metal like gold, use strictly 0.01. 0.0. Obviously, you're not looking to get rich with just $100. You have to build it, right? That's what is crucial. So some of you that come in and start doing crazy risk are the real reason why people think Forex is a scam. You're the one that will go with the narrative and start telling people that, that you chop my money. How much is your money? $10. And what did you do? You didn't put stop loss or you started over leveraging. Trading is a business. It's not Bet Nigeria that your ticket will cut once you miss one game. Treat it as such. Make sure that you are not over leveraging. Do what the professionals are doing. What are they doing? Managing risk. That's what they are doing. Nobody has a 100% winning strategy, and as such, if your strategy, even if it's 99.9%, that chance of 0.01 chance of it being wrong, you can still be screwed if risk is not well managed. So do the right thing, use proper risk management, and then you should come out smiling. All right. I hope this makes sense today. All beginners, please stick to using 0.01 on your small account, starting from there. When you know what you're doing, you fund more money, and then you up your level, you up your lot size. All right. You can put 0.01 on this account, nothing would even hurt you. All right, it would not hurt you. People that are looking to get rich in one day are people that are actually losing their money. I hope that makes sense, right? So what other pair should we look at for Euro JPY? Euro JPY, just like GBP JPY, is how can I buy Lambo with 0.01 lot size? Good question. So you that have $100, are you looking to use $100 to buy a Lambo? No, obviously. If you want to buy a Lambo, you have to stay long enough in the grind, as I have stayed. I'm 9 years plus now, 8 to 9 years. So you don't want to come out, do 3 weeks course, 3 months course, and think that you want to buy a Lambo the next month. It doesn't work that way. So I don't know who sold you that dream, but would you buy Lambo with time? Yes, you buy. Just I will never give you dates. You go buy, right? So you have to know that it's not you flipping your $100 to 1,000, 1,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to $1 million. It doesn't work that way. Even if you flip your $100 to 1,000, you kill that account in $2,000. Why? Because you have a poor mindset. You made that money with the wrong mindset, thinking that you can always flip your way to success. So that's what you need to get done, all right? So let's see. Euro USD is buy. Is buy. I'm analyzing buy. Oh my God. Okay, USD CHF. When will all the courses be uploaded on the new websites? All right, we said today. In fact, all of the courses are almost done except for the advanced courses. If you check in your course session and you check the premium section, you see that the courses are already there. The courses are important. So what we did in this new website is we took out all other irrelevant recordings that were repeating, and only put out the important things for you. The beginners from day 1 to day 8, all of them, all the curriculum, all important, they are already uploaded. The intermediate, day 1 to day 8, all the important things that you need to know are also uploaded. What is left now, what we are working on, is on the archive. Archive are the courses that we know everybody loved from way back and they want to still keep revisiting it, and we left that too on the website. All right, thank you very much, guys, for sticking around. So let me just look through one more time all the courses, all the what's it called, all the pairs that I've analyzed. I say Euro USD, it's a buy from this point. GBP USD, I called out a buy to GBP USD. I called out a very good buy to from this point, using proper risk management, from a buy from this point. I called out gold for a buy too, but right now I think it's really dipping. Oh, stop loss already hit on gold. Stop loss hit, so no more entry on gold again. I called out GBP JPY for a sell from the point where we saw it that time. So for GBP JPY, we are in profit for a sell. Not so much profit, but then there's really there's profit there, which can cover up for your gold with time. What other pair? AUDUSD. I called for a buy, I guess. Yeah, I called for a buy on AUDUSD, and your stop loss on AUDUSD is 0.67791. All right, these are the things I've called out for. These are the only pairs that I have called out right now on this call. All right, I'll see you guys. Make sure you're on the Telegram channel. On the Telegram, that's where I do give out multiple signals. If you want to be a part of our academy, all you just need to do is to come to firepipsfx.com. This link, join in, and then you sign up immediately on the website. Everything is automated. You don't need nobody to onboard you if you sign in on the website. Or however, if you make a direct bank transfer, then that's when you need an admin. You have to chat up our WhatsApp to help you get onboarded. All right. So I wouldn't want you to stay too long on there waiting on an admin. Just go directly to the website. You make things a lot more easier for us that way. All right. And one more thing I love to tell you guys again is make sure that you are in our Signal. You're in our Signal channel. In order to be a part of our Signal channel, just join our Telegram channel. Telegram is this is our free Telegram. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. I drop signals from time to time. Right, already this morning we dropped a signal on, I think Williams dropped signal on BTC, and people on VIX rather, volatility. People got to make profits. All right. Thank you very much. You said that you are feeding boys. Thank you. I just hope these boys understand. Thank you very much. Still rich in Christ. Say you are feeding boys. Thank you. Say name of the website. The website name is fairpipsfx.com. Look at the link right here in your front of you. Fairpipsfx. So you can start with the free course. Take a free tour. After you've taken a free tour, you take the course. You start with the course. You are satisfied with what you see. You want me to teach you how to trade. Then you go ahead and enroll immediately. It's a new interface. We give you straight to the point content. I'm more concerned about the type of content you guys see on the website, because I use a beginner to test it. After building this thing, I brought a beginner. Okay, what do you understand by Forex? From this stage, do you think you would understand it? So it's well tested. Everything is approved. So guys, make sure you hop on there and check everything. You're definitely going to enjoy the experience. All right, take it easy now, and bye for now, guys. Bye.